It's Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. Today we've got this Mitsubishi ASX in for a radio upgrade. So what we're going to put in is the Kenwood DMX7722 DAB. So this one has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless AndroidAuto, DAB, Bluetooth, FM, everything like that, USB, Bluetooth audio. But what we've got to do with this one is integrate into the steering wheel controls. The vehicle has a factory reversing camera, so we'll integrate that in. And as you can see, we have factory DAB. So what we'll do is we'll integrate that factory aerial in and get that all working on the Kenwood. So let's get going. So there we go, all installed. We've got a nice gloss black fascia trim to go with the factory gloss black panel. We've got DAB with all of your stations using the factory DAB aerial. And we've got your Apple CarPlay, AndroidAuto, FM, Bluetooth. So all that comes up with your Google Maps and Apple Maps and everything like that. We've got the steering wheel controls all integrated in, so they're all working. And if we stick into reverse, we've got the reversing camera working. So there we go. So if you're looking for a Kenwood or a Pioneer or an Alpine for your Mitsubishi ASX, give us a call. Pretty cool.